If you're traveling and need to access your passwords offline, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do that quickly and safely, so you don't have to worry about accessing your sensitive information when you're on the go. Stay tuned, because by the end of this, you'll know the best method for offline password access, and I'll also be sharing an exclusive free trial to a top tool that can help. So, the first thing you need to understand is that it's important not to rely on just your browser or cloud-based password managers when traveling. Sure, they're great when you're online, but once you lose internet connection, you can't access them. That's why you need a solution that works offline and keeps your passwords secure. One of the most effective ways to store passwords offline is by using a password manager with local storage. This type of software allows you to save all your passwords in an encrypted file that stays on your device. If you're looking for a specific software to use, there are many out there, but I've tested a lot of them and I've got a recommendation for you. I'll tell you more about that in a second, so keep watching. Now, let's talk about how you can set this up. First, you'll want to install a password manager on your phone or laptop before your trip. Make sure it has a local storage feature that allows you to save passwords offline. Once it's installed, create a strong master password to protect your vault of passwords. This is the key to keeping everything secure. Next, input your passwords into the software. If you're migrating from a cloud-based manager, there are usually options to export and import your passwords. Just make sure to double-check the encryption settings for extra security. You want to be sure that all your passwords are encrypted, and the software you're using should offer AES-256 encryption, which is the industry standard. Once your passwords are saved, go ahead and test it by turning off your internet connection. Open up the password manager, and if everything works, you're all set. Now you have a secure way to access your passwords offline while traveling, no matter where you are. If you're wondering how you can make sure your passwords stay safe while traveling, remember that offline access is just one part of the equation. Using a strong master password and making sure your device is secure with a PIN or biometric unlock is crucial. Also, avoid using public Wi-Fi to access your passwords if possible, as it can be a security risk. Now, before we wrap up, I want to remind you that the software we'll be using for this is linked in the description below. I've tested a variety of password managers, and this one comes highly recommended for offline access. It also offers a free trial exclusive to viewers of my channel. So if you want to follow along with the steps I just mentioned and try it for yourself, make sure to grab that trial in the description below. The key takeaway here is that accessing your passwords offline while traveling is simple and safe, but only if you use the right tools. A local password manager with strong encryption ensures that you can access your passwords anywhere, even without an internet connection. To recap, first, use a password manager with local storage and AES-256 encryption. Next, store and encrypt your passwords and test everything offline before your trip. Don't forget to secure your device with a strong master password and biometric locks. And finally, grab the exclusive free trial of the software I recommend in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful.